Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Tammy, and today what we're going to do is a little high intensity, low intensity cardio workout. It's going to only be 10 minutes, but we'll have a little warm up and cool down, and then that's it. So this will be great to kind of use maybe sometime when you just want a short, quick workout, or if you are doing some weights and then you want to add a short cardio to it. Okay, first let's start warming up. Today, let's kind of like get this out of it, kick it back, okay? First, we're gonna just kick it back here. So what I wanna do are only one 40-second set of each exercise. You'll get 15 seconds of rest in between. And then we'll only do 10 exercises and you'll be done. So we're still kicking here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep going here. So you won't need any equipment. You'll only need your body, maybe a little space. A mat, if you have one, is so great. And like I mentioned before, we're going step side to side here. I used to, let's use our arms too, use a nice beach towel before I had anything. And I'd be working out in the house and that was fine. And I would just do that. Kind of like bending a little side to side here. Let's reach across, but still step. So with the high intensity, low intensity, we're gonna bring our heart rate up. Then we'll still be doing something, but we'll try and bring it down a bit, then bring it back up. Okay? Let's just kind of march here. Just do a little marching. And then we're gonna get started with our first exercise in about 30 more seconds. So let's just keep going. Good job. Some we'll be doing standing, some we'll be doing on the floor. Good job. Let's take a nice deep breath here before we get started here, okay? Let's get that oxygen in. And I'm gonna put my mat just like this. What we're going to do is, it's a bear crawl. It's gonna be kind of crunched together. Here we go, okay? I'm on my hands and my toes, and I'm just going to go side to side and back. So you're staying in that crunched kind of position the whole time, okay? Doesn't look like much, but gets that heart rate up. Let's see. Oh, a few more seconds. Oh, good job. That was not easy. So that's a bear crawl. Just kind of going side to side. Okay. Enjoy this little rest. You might need water or a towel, remember. Okay. Next, we're just running in place. Okay? So I want you to just actually try and run as fast as you can. Remember, it's only one set. So we're running. Go, 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 go. Get that heart rate up. This is quick little step here. We're running. We're more than halfway this one already. Keep running. Maybe you're running away from the bear now. Get away from it. Hurry. Just a few more seconds. Okay, that is your rest. Probably needed after that one, right? It's a nice time to slow it down, have water, get a good deep breath. Okay, coming up here. We're only gonna be moving your arms quickly. So I got a little squat, see there, with my knees, okay? But I'm just moving my arms quick. Forward like this. Here's what it looks like. So you really gotta move your arms quickly, okay? Keep going. We're halfway. Moving, quick. 10 more seconds of this. Keep it going. like much, but it is, right? I know you guys felt that, just as I did. Okay, next what you're going to do is you're gonna have your feet about shoulder width. Come down, remember, a little tap with your fingers. Come up and jump. Down, jump. Squat, touch, jump. Squat, touch, jump. Okay, and go at your own pace. Do the best you can. If you can't jump, just come up on your toes there, okay? Come down, come up. But if you can, we only have 10 more seconds of it. Keep looking forward, not at the ground, okay? Come on, one more, you got it. All right, good job. Remember your towels if you, starting to sweat. Starting to lose your breath. That's all good. Okay, this time we'll bring it down a bit. Let's just do front kicks. Okay, so you're alternating your front kick. Good. We'll get through these 10 and we'll cool it down. So this one's a little, lower intensity here. That other one was a little higher. Good. Few more seconds here. Then you get your little break. Okay, go ahead and take a little break. What we're going to do is, I think I'm going to put the mat like this. It's the dreaded burpee, but no jump. Okay, you come down on your hands, okay? Jump your feet back, jump them in, come up. You don't have to jump. Unless you really want to. Go ahead. But if you don't, jump it out, jump it in, come up. You can just stand, back down. It's only one round, come on. You can do it. One more. See? Okay, whew. That one is rough, isn't it? Oh. They do get a little easier, but not that much. Okay, lower intensity, just a little side jump. Jumping side to side. If you still really need to catch your breath, just step side to side, then bring the jump in when you're ready, okay? Halfway of this one, probably about halfway of our workout or more. Probably more, right? 10 more seconds, just jump side to side. We'll do a little higher intensity coming up. Okay, let's rest. Let's get some water. Whew. The next one is going to be jumping out wide here, and then jumping in, jumping out wide, jumping up in, jumping out wide, and in. Okay? Out wide, up, tall. Out wide, up tall. Good. So when you jump out, you're squatting, you're coming up. Jump out, squat, up tall. Good. 10 more seconds of this. 5 more seconds. Good. Take our little break here. Let me check and see. 1 or 2 more exercises, I believe, and that's it. Okay. Let's do a little where you're just gonna, twist kind of side to side. You could do the little jump. But remember, this is like a lower intensity, so That's why I'm slowing it down. But hey, if you're feeling great, you can pick up the pace if you want. So I'm twisting, jumping, turning my feet a little bit, alternating arms. Less than 10 seconds. Keep it going. Okay, so we get our rest here. And then, let's see, that would be, I think we have possibly one more. Mountain climbers. On the mat, hands on the mat. Here we go. Okay, alternating, bringing your knees in, remember. So you want to try and pick up the pace here because this is a high intensity. And if it's too much for you, do the same thing here. Hold it and then just move slower, okay? But if you can, pick up that pace. Keep breathing. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Whew. Excellent. Okay. Gotta wipe off again. Check out if we have. No, I think this is it. Whew. Great job, everybody. That is our cool down bell. Whew. Catch your breath. Have some water, whatever you need to do. Get some deep breaths in here. Okay. Then let's stretch. Whew. Let's do grabbing your foot. Do a quad stretch. Stretching the front of the leg. Hold on to something, remember, if you need to. Great. Switch, same exact thing. I really like this one. For some reason, it feels really good. I know other exercises that do not feel very good. A few more seconds. Still trying to bring our heart rate down. Let's do a little side bend here. Other side. Still taking your nice breaths. Let's do a little bit of just alternating these big arm circles. Going back feels good. Do a few going forward now. Like you're swimming, okay? You're swimming. Okay, next you're going to bring one leg out straight, toe up, remember? You're gonna sit back, try and reach towards your toe to get the back of the leg. Come up slowly and switch. Just hold it here. Come up slowly again. Whew, I'm sweating. Little neck stretch, just trying to remember to get that ear towards the shoulder. And then same thing, going the other way. Feeling a good stretch here, trying to get your
activity completed.
Ooh, that's activity completed. That was a nice little cardio burst there. Let's get another good deep breath in, okay? Thank you so much for joining me. You are all pink subscribers. Well, I hope you are. You're all pink survivors. That's what you are. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye.